Welcome to our Automator Quick Start videos. Today I want to show you how you can use your PowerShell scripts to self-service your IT. In this demo we are using one of our Active Directory ready to automate free to download PowerShell scripts. So this script is adding a user to a group. So we need as input parameter the user, the group, and we also configured a comment. So switch back to Automator and create a new service, which is called, of course, add user to group video demo. The same you use for description. We choose the video demos service group and we select a nice looking image so the user can easily find the correct service. And now the most important part. At the automation engine, we switch to PowerShell and select the PowerShell script we saw a few seconds before, the add user to group PS1. And if you go now to the questions, we see 3 questions already pre-configured. We just need to change the question type to enter some nice looking text. It is required, of course, and we don't want to use it as a text. So we want to use LDAP query picker, so the user can select directly our objects from Active Directory. Class equals user in this case. We want to show the display name and the SAM account name. A quick test. Yes, users are coming. We want to use it as a pre-populate table and only have the ability to select a single user. The next one, or the same one for the group, choose group, also required, also an LDAP query, and here the object class equals group. We want to show the name and short test. Everything looks good. Also pre-populate table. The comment will stay a simple string and it is not required. So we save the service. Now we take a look how it is used. We select we want to run the service from myself and we select the add user to group video demo service we created a few seconds before. And now we can choose a user from our Active Directory. We can choose a group live from our Active Directory, and these parameters will now be transferred to the PowerShell script we saw here, and at the very end we see the main part, we add a user to the group. So that's it, and have fun and see you. Bye bye.